Hey guys, it's Dim, and today we're going to be reacting to if Cardi B did the sound effects for Star Wars Episode 2. And I also have episode... Oh, I should probably do the first part, huh? Okay. Anyway, I have no idea what to expect. This was a reaction request, so let's just get right and do it. And let's crank up that volume.
Something sa malo. You know what I'm saying?
What? Okay, okay, let's do the second part.
Scam! Help me! Help! Okay.
Why would you take the time to make this? Oh, there's still more. Shit, hold on, that was funny. Why would you take the time to edit this? Okay, this was funny. Random, funny little short video. I don't know what to say. That was funny. Let me know what you guys thought down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So bye. That was just random. But you know what? Shout out to the person who actually took the time to edit this. This was entertaining. Even though I don't know why you would take the time to edit this.